Dr. Bart Hodgins, River Ridge Chiropractic. We're going to talk about 3 different regions of neck pain and what you can do right now at home to at least get you some relief until we figure out exactly what's happening in your specific case. Okay, so we have region 1 right here. On me, region 1 would be right here. Okay, we're going to go back over. Region 2 right in the middle. On me, region 2, kind of where the curve is of the neck that you can push into. Region 3, all the way at the base. If you take your hands like this, put them on your shoulders and push together, you're going to feel a little ridge. That little ridge is right here. That is what we're going to call region 3. So depending on where you're sore, if it's region 1, most likely you'll have some radiation pain coming up into the head. This is probably the most problematic area for a lot of people because it can cause a lot of different things. Region 2, right in the middle, you're probably going to have some soreness and stiffness right around this area. And then region 3, all the way over here, now I'm really starting to feel that little ridge or that little hump area start to become problematic. It might even be a bit burny, a bit sore. So to give yourself some relief at home, I like to use a towel. So we take a towel about this size, okay? And I'm gonna just go ahead and roll it up. You wanna get it rolled up as tight as you can. And the reason for that is you don't want it flattening out because the neck has a curve in it and we wanna help use this to help the curve, okay? So if I have region number 1, which is gonna be here, I'm going to be sitting like this. Region number 2 in the middle would be around here. And then region number 3 is all the way almost at my shoulders. So if you can grab something about this width and you're gonna lie down, I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1 for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and lie down and put it on region 1. You can see it's right underneath my ear and I'm slightly tilted back. I certainly don't wanna be this way. I wanna be more back this way. And I'm gonna lie here for 30 seconds. If I start to get relief, it's at least telling me that a component of what I have is muscular. Okay, you found some relief from the towel. That usually tells us that it's a muscular issue. And if it's a muscular issue and we get relief by relaxing it, how do we get the muscle strong enough in the first place so you don't have any neck pain and don't even need to use this? That's where we start using stuff like bands. You can get these anywhere, like Walmart and Target or whatever. So a band is resistance, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and stand up because if my posture should be like this, but I've been at the computer for so long that my posture starts looking like this, where I'm standing and I can't get my shoulders back, what I like to do is called a mirror image. But we wanna start building extension, right? We wanna have our heads up high and our shoulder girdle coming back. This would be a very easy one to do. And there's different ones that we can do that we'll talk about in different videos. But for right now, the number 1 thing you can do is start doing that. Athletically, a lot of weightlifters, a lot of athletes, a lot of people who throw a ball, a football, baseball, tennis rackets, right? Weightlifting, you can start to see, and I know you see it in the gym, you see them go like this. So you have a weightlifter walking in the gym like this. What he's done is he's internally rotated his shoulder, his pec is way too dominant, and he's gonna develop some pretty serious shoulder or neck issues. Start doing this right away, externally rotating, getting that shoulder back. That can help with your posture. It's fundamental to saving the shoulder.
Strengthening the muscles around the neck is key so the neck does not have an extreme overload causing dysfunction. If the pain becomes too extreme, this could be a sign of a bigger medical condition, so it's important to seek medical care.